Hi friends, welcome you all to Think Maths. We are in class 10 Maths, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 5.2, question numbers 3, 4 and 5. So question number 3, in the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. Some terms are missing, we have to use the formula to find out the missing term. So the general formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the general formula. We are going to use this formula and find out the terms. Here second term is missing. So we have to know the difference. If you know the difference, you can add with the first term and find out the second term. So what are all given? A is given. So for the first problem, a is equal to 2 and the last term is 26. So here L is equal to 26. So this formula can also be written as L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d when we know the last term. So L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 terms are there. So we can say that n is equal to 3. So L is 26. A is the first term which is 2 plus n is equal to 3 minus 1 into d. So 26 equal to 2 plus if you multiply with d 3 minus 1 it is 2. So it is 2d. So here 26, this plus 2 will become minus 2 when it changes the side, 2d. So we can write 2d is equal to 26 minus 2. So 26 minus 2 is 24. So d is equal to 24. 2 is in multiplication. When the side changes, it will become division. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. So d is equal to 12. When the difference is 12, we have to find the second term. So second term a2 is equal to first term plus common difference 12. What is the first term? First term is 2 plus 12 which is equal to 14. So a2 is equal to 14. The same way second problem. In the second problem, second term and last term is given. So here there are 4 terms, n is equal to 4 and a2 is equal to 13 and a4 equal to 3. So these are the things given. We have to find a and d to find out the next 2 terms. This first term and third term. So in order to find a and d, we need 2 equations. These 2 equations can be formed using a2 is equal to 13 and a4 equal to 3. So a2 is equal to 13. If you substitute in this value, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a2 is equal to, here n is equal to 2. A plus 2 minus 1 into d. So we know a plus a2 is nothing but 13 equal to a plus 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into d. So this is one equation. Next equation, a4. a4 equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 4. So what is a4? It is given as 3. So 3 is equal to a plus 3d. So this is the second equation. So we have to solve 1 and 2 to get a and d. So here coefficient of a is same and so we should subtract 1 minus 2. So 1 is a plus d is equal to 13 and 2 is a plus 3d is equal to 3. So as we are subtracting, the signs of the second equation will change. So a minus a 0, d minus 3d. So we have to subtract and negative sign is for bigger number. So we will get 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2d is equal to 13 minus 3 is 10. So I am moving here. So minus 2d is equal to 10. Then d will be equal to 10 divided by minus 2. So answer will be in negative. 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. So d is equal to minus 5. So I am going to substitute d is equal to minus 5 in 1. So one equation here a instead of d minus 5. So the sign will change. A minus 5 is equal to 13. Then a will be equal to 13 minus 5 will become plus 5 when the side changes. So 13 minus plus 5 is 18. So a is equal to 18. That is the first term is 18. Now we have to find the third term. So a3 is nothing but second term plus d. So second term is 13. What about d? D it is minus 5. So 13 minus 5 is 8. So we got the answer. So I am writing it down. So we got for the first equation, second term is 14. For the second equation, first term is 18 and third term is 8. So this is the answer. Okay. I hope you can understand the problem. So I am moving on to the next problem. Third one. Here the first term and last term is given. We have to find second term and third term. So to know this, we need to find the common difference d. So third problem, what are all given? First term, that is a1 equal to a is equal to 5. And last term, it is 9, 1 by 2, which is equal to 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. So 19 by 2. These are given. How many terms are there? Totally, n is equal to 4 terms. So there are totally 4 terms are there. So these are the details given. We have to find the second term and third term. So we know that L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So L is nothing but 19 by 2 equal to A is 5 plus how many terms are there? Totally 4 terms. So 4 minus 1 into d. So 5 plus 4 minus 1 is 3d. On the other side we have 19 by 2. So we can write 19 by 2. This plus 5 will become, this plus 5 will become minus 5. Here you have 2. 19 by 2 minus 5 equal to 3d. So 3d will be equal to, if I take 2 as LCM, 19 will be there. You have to cross multiply. Okay, this is nothing but 5 divided by 1. 2 into 1 is 2. So you have to cross multiply 19 into 1 minus 2 into 5, which is 10. So 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. So D is equal to 9 by 2. Here 3 is in multiplication, so it will come to division. So what happens? Both are in 3 tables. So 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3. So it is 3 by 2. So D is equal to 3 by 2. So we know the common difference. So we can find the second term. So A2 is equal to the first term plus D. So what is first term? It is 5. So 5 plus 3 by 2. So in the same way, you have to take the LCM. Here it is 1. 1 into 2, 2. Cross multiplying 5 into 2, 10 plus 3 into 1, 3. So which is equal to 13 by 2. Next, A3. It is nothing but second term plus D. So second term is 13 by 2 plus common difference D is 3 by 2. So 13, both we have 2 as the common difference. So we can write the same number, 13 plus 3, which is 16 by 2. So these are the values. So we got the answer. So I am using the colors. So A2 is equal to 13 by 2 and A3 is equal to 16 by 2, which is 8. Okay. I hope you can understand this problem. So I am moving on to the fourth one. So the fourth problem, what is given? First term A1 equal to minus 4 and last term L is equal to 6. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. So N is equal to 6 terms. So using these details, we can find out the common difference D. So L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So L is 6 here. A is the first term, which is minus 4 plus how many terms are there? 6 terms. So 6 minus 1 into D. So 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 6 minus 1, 5. So 5D. So 6, this minus 4 will become plus 4 when the side changes. So we get 5D is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. So this implies D is equal to 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So we got to the common difference D as 2. So what happens then? We can find the second term. So A2 is equal to the first term plus common difference. What is the first term? It is minus 4 plus 2. So minus 4 plus 2 is, one is negative, one is positive. So we have to find the difference. So difference between 4 and 2 is 2 and negative sign is for the bigger number. So answer will be negative. In the same way, A3 is equal to A2 plus D. What is A2? It is minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, it is 0. A4 equal to A3 plus D. A3 is 0 plus D is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. So A5 equal to A4 plus D. What is A4? It is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we got all the values. So I am going to write A2 is minus 2, A3 is 0, A4 is plus 2 and A5 is 4. So these are the values we got. So I am moving on to the next problem. Fifth one. Here the first term is missing. Third one, fourth one, fifth one. So what are all given? A2. A2 is equal to 38 and we need A and D. So we need two equations. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A6 is minus 22. Okay. So we know AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A2. A2 is given. So I am writing A2. A plus instead of N we wrote 2. So it is 2 minus 1 into D. A2 is given as 38. So 38 equal to A plus 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into D, D. So this is the first equation. Another equation we got A6. So A6 equal to A plus instead of N we wrote 6. So 6 minus 1 into D. What is A6? It is minus 22 equal to A plus 6 minus 1 is 5D. So this is the second equation. So if we subtract 1 and 2, A will be cancelled. So 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, one equation is A plus D is equal to 38. Second equation is A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. So we are subtracting. The signs will change for the second equation. So A minus A 0, A minus 5D. So we have to subtract and the negative sign is for bigger number. So we will get the answer in negative. The difference between 5 and 1 is 4. So minus 4D is equal to here 38 plus 20. So 8 plus 2, 10, balance 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So D will be 60 divided by negative 4. So the answer will be in negative. 60 divided by negative 4 is 15. Okay. So D is equal to 15. So you can substitute D is equal to minus 15 in equation 1 to get A, the first term. So A minus 15 equal to 38. So A is equal to 38 plus 15. So 38 plus 15 is, I think it is 53. So first term is 53. So what about this third term? A3 will be A2 plus D. What is A2? A2 is given as 38. So 38. What is D? D is minus 15. So here already plus is there. So plus into minus, minus. So 38 minus 15 is 22. Not 22, it is 23. So next A4 equal to third term plus d. So third term is 23 minus 15. So 23 minus 15 is 8. Next A5. A5 is A4 plus D. A4 is 8. 8 minus 15. 8 minus 15 is minus 7. So we got all the terms. So let us write those terms. First term. First term is A, which is 53. Third term is 23. Fourth term is 8 and fifth term is negative 7. So these are the values we got. I hope you can understand all this problem. So moving on to the fourth one. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So in this AP there is value 78. We have to find where this 78 appears. That means we have to find the value of n where for which an equal to 78. So they gave an equal to 78. This means what is the value of n? What are the other things given? Here a is given, which is the first term 3. It is an AP, so the common difference will be same. So 8 minus 3, which is 5. You can take any numbers, 13 minus 8 or 18 minus 3, everything will be 5 because they gave it is an AP. So we got A, D. So what is the formula? An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is 3 plus n. What is n? We doesn't know. N minus 1 into D. D is 5. An is 78. So 78 equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. Multiplying with 5. N into 5. 5n minus 1 into 5. Minus 5. So plus positive 5n I am writing here. Remaining 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So because negative sign is for bigger number. Here we have 78. So keeping 5n here. 78 is here. Remaining minus 2. I am taking it to the other side. So it will become plus 2. 78 plus 2 is 80. So 80 is equal to 5n. So this is same as 5n equal to 80. Then n will be equal to 80 divided by 5, which is 1 5s are 5, balance 3 is there. So 6 5s are 30. So n is equal to 16. So this means 16th term is 78. 16th term is 78. This is the answer. Okay. Next one, last problem of this session. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So, they gave finite AP, that is last term is given. We have to find how many terms are there. That is, we have to find n. Okay. So, here the first term is 7 and common difference. D is equal to 13 minus 7. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Last term is 205. So instead of an we can write L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is same. Instead of an you can write L because last term we know. So 205 is equal to a is 7 plus n we doesn't know, d is 6. So 7 plus n into 6, 6n minus 6 equal to 205. So 205 equal to 6n is there. Constant value 7 minus 6, it is plus 1. So 205, bringing this 1 to other side, it will become minus 1 equal to 6n. 205 minus 1 is 204 equal to 6n. So what happens? Then 6n equal to 204. Then n will be equal to 204 divided by 6. So how many times it goes? I think 20 goes 3 times. 6 3s are 18. Balance will be 2. 6 4s are 24. So there are 34 terms. So total terms equal to 34. Okay. In the same way, we have to do this problem. Here A is equal to 18. What about D? D is equal to 15 1 by 2. So 15 1 by 2 minus 18. What is 15 1 by 2? 15 into 2 30. 30 plus 1 31 by 2 minus 18. So we have to take LCM as 2. Here we have 1 cross multiplying 31 into 1 31 minus 2 into 18 36. What is 31 minus 36? Here negative sign is for bigger number. So we get negative 5 divided by 2. I'm sorry, divided by 2. So D is equal to minus 5 by 2. What about the last term? Last term is minus 47. So using this formula, L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. L is minus 47 equal to A is 18 plus N minus 1 into D is negative 5 by 2. So minus 47 plus 18 multiplying with N minus N 5N divided by 2 minus into minus it will become plus 5 by 2. So here I equal to, I'm sorry. So taking all the constant term to one side. Here minus 47 plus 18 will become minus 18 plus 5 by 2 will become minus 5 by 2. On the other side we have minus 5n divided by 2. So minus 47 and minus 18 you will get minus 65. Minus 65 minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5. Throughout we have negative sign, so everything will become positive. So taking 2 as LCM, here 1, so cross multiplying 65 into 2 is 130, my here plus. So all the negatives will be cancelled, everything will be plus. So here 5 into 1, 5. So it will be plus 5 equal to 5n divided by 2. So 130 plus 5, 135 divided by 2 equal to 5n by 2. That is nothing but 5n by 2 is equal to 135 divided by 2. So n will be equal to 135 divided by 2. Here 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 will change to 2 by 5. So into 2 by 5. So 2 can cancel. 135 divided by 2 is 27. So n is equal to 27. There are 27 terms in this series. I hope you can understand all the problems. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. Also, if you like this video, just share, like and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. Thank you. Thank you for your support.